Hi there, my name is Trew, and today I'll be teaching you how to ride a skateboard. So why don't we call this video, How to Ride a Skateboard with Trew. Skateboarding is for everyone, so gals, I'm talking to you too. Before we begin, there are going to be a few things that we need to go over. Your basic needs of skateboarding. Number 1, a complete skateboard. Number 2, a flat surface to skate on. Safety equipment is not necessarily necessary, but it is encouraged. Safety first. Now we must establish if you're regular-footed or goofy-footed. This is basically like right-handed versus left-handed. And no, your stance does not reflect your personality. So how do we decide which way you stand on the skateboard? You stand on it. It's totally about feeling here. So just stand on the skateboard and see which one feels natural to you. Okay, we're ready to skate. Set your board next to your feet. Now take your lead foot or front foot and place it right above the hardware. Take your back foot and place it right above the tail of the board. We did it! We are on the skateboard. Let's get you rolling now. Keep your front foot right where it is and place your back foot right in front of the board. Use your back foot to push off of the ground. Now put your foot back at its original spot right above the tail. Look at that. We are mobile, baby. If you need to stop, just hop off. There you have it. You're a skater now. You'll be jumping over cars like Bart Simpson, or frontside lip sliding El Toro 20 stare like Heath Kirchart in no time. To recap, stand on the board, use your back foot to push off the ground, and then stand back on the board. Skateboarding requires a lot of patience and determination, so hang in there. I'm so happy that I can help you learn how to ride a skateboard. Who knows, maybe I'll catch you at the skate park sometime, or even out there in the streets.